Hi, I'm Erin, and I just attended a powerlifting workshop with Zach and Tracy, and it was fantastic. I'm a competitive powerlifter, but I still took so many nuggets of knowledge that I know I'm going to implement in my training, whether it was variations on the specific lifts or like changing my technique. So it was just awesome to learn from two people who have done it before, and I would definitely attend anything else that they host. So thanks, Zach and Tracy.
Hi everyone, I'm LJ. If you're new to powerlifting, lost like I was, this is the space for you. This is amazing. Tracy and Zach are phenomenal. They take time and patience to make you stronger and mentally ready for anything going with power. Thank you guys so much.
Today with Zach and Tracy has been absolutely awesome. I had my second powerlifting meet ever yesterday, and I was this lucky to have had this workshop prior to that, because from the pre-workouts to stretches to actually executing the knowledge that I gained here today is going to be extremely beneficial. I look forward to applying all of it. It was great. I enjoyed it. They're super nice also, so that's always a plus.
Today's seminar was excellent. Zach and Tracy were phenomenal. I've learned so much about my bench, my back squat, my deadlift. It's wonderful having another set of eyes on you to tell you where some of the imperfections might be. But this was just so beneficial to have these ones.